how do you personally stay updated with the new technologies and workflow? Any tips for our viewers on it?
All right, great. The great question. Actually, I would like to give them some tips that I personally use and I saw that they are effective. First, I always try to become organized, and I always try to categorize the digital tools that I am using and the digital technologies that I'm using. So I have this list of digital tools categorized into main topics, like, for example, there are coordination tools, there are reality capture tools, business intelligence tools, GIS tools, and below of each category I have different tools. I named them in this list, and when I learn something new, when I saw something from, for example, Nadim and LinkedIn, he's mentioning some great tool, so I take this tool, put it in my list. I don't learn it, I just put it, and I do write a brief of about this tool, and that way I'm just make myself aware of tools. So always when you read something in social media or watch videos on YouTube or in any social media, you need just always to take the things that will attract you and put it in that list. Later on, as per your experience or your project needs, you may be interested to implement some of these tools in your project or organization. Then you need to learn it, and that is another level. So you have this list. Some of them are like only in your wish list, but some of them are you need them, so it's a need or it's in the implementation phase. These tools you need to like open a new folder for them or open a new presentation or notes in your computer and save them, and try to always put what you have learned, or try to put something about how do you practice on this. Try to implement them, and whatever you're learning, put in that folder. That will make you expert in that tools. So shortly, don't master every tool you get attracted with. Just put it in the list. Then whatever you choose for your project, start to learn.
Completely agree with you, Ammar. Basically, this is also one of my way of learning the new things. I do have some sort of the learning platforms where I do have the list, and it's more about the priorities, what exactly I want to learn in coming 2 or 3 months, and I
Really.
keep learning on daily basis. And this is what I want to share with our watchers as well, and the industry newbies, let's say, or students that keep learning on daily basis. At least a hour or half 30 minutes a day can make a big impact. If you'll see after 1 year, there will be a big impact on your career.
Because this is very important, by the way, because you, if you choose to follow this path of digital technologies, so you should be updated every day, because it is something that changes day by day, and you need to always get updated. One other thing is the conferences. The conferences is very important. The conferences are very important because you always learn from people from around the world. You meet other experts from the instructors or from the attendees. So you meet them and learn from each other, share knowledge, expand your like expand your idea and expand your thinking about new possibilities. So conference is also a important key for being updated and for getting more advanced in your field.